Alright you guys, let's go ahead and jump right into this video. I'm doing my eyebrows with Profusion's beautiful eyebrow pencil, and I have already done my foundation. I used the Brulee from Born This Way by Too Faced, and now I'm just concealing my eyebrows, well, cleaning them up. And I'm using like the same concealer that I always use. You can look at my old videos. I will have everything listed down in the description box, and I'm just highlighting my face with some concealer. Now I'm just setting my highlight and conceal with some setting powder. Now it is time to prime my eyelids with CoverGirl's Lid Lockup for my eyeshadow. For my eyeshadow, I am using NYX Licorice from their holiday collection. I'm going in with this orangey color as my base, and I'm just going to put that all over my lid. Now I'm putting a brighter orange red color on top of that. Now we're going to go in with a maroon and putting that on my crease and outer V. I'm going to go in with the black and basically do the same thing. All I'm doing is layering the colors so they can blend in together. So now I'm doing a half cut crease, and I'm just going to put that red right on top to make it pop. I finished my eyes because my camera cut off, but now I'm just going in with NYX's Sweet Cheeks and put in some blush on my cheeks. For my eyes, all I did was basically copy the same thing, and I just put it on my lower eyelids. And I cleaned up the sides of my eyes as well. And now I am basically priming for my tear duct eyeshadow. And I'm just going to go in with a bright highlighter from the Scuff and Glow palette from Profusion. And y'all can still use, like, there's a yellow color in the NYX Licorice palette that you can use instead of doing this, but I wanted to make it shimmer just a little bit, so that's why I decided to go with the highlighter. Now I'm going in with NYX Wonderland, Whipped Wonderland highlighter and dazzler, also from their holiday collection. Mascara, I am using Perversion from Urban Decay. For my lips, I am using NYX Whipped Wonderland Powder Puff Lippy and Cake Pop, also from their holiday collection. And y'all, I need to buy more of these because these are so creamy and rich in color. Like, they just feel so good on my lips. So I'm definitely going to have to buy more of these. And to set all this down, I am using the Slick by Urban Decay. And that is it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. See y'all in the next video. Bye.